Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for interior designing industry. So here let's assume that I am an interior designer and to promote my business I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for interior designing business. So here let's assume that I am an interior designer and to promote my interior designing business, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. This here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for interior designing industry. So here in this trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application because I'm promoting my interior designing business with it. So here I'm selecting it. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, now moving to my action window, as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So here in this action window, I'm going to search for Google Sheets as my action application. Here it is. And now the action event will be to add a new row. So as you can see that I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details should be added in my Google Sheets. So now to implement it, here I firstly need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of these tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. And you can see that the authorization is successful. So the connection has been established between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Now moving to page and lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I have created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in page, I need to select the page first. So here, this is my Facebook page that is by the name of Home Decor. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page as Home Decor, and here it is. Now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that these are the forms that I've created. So here this is the lead ad form that I want to use, and this is how it looks like. And this is the form name, that is looking for an interior designer new lead ads form. So this is the form which I wish to use. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form. And as I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to test this integration, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here I'm searching for Meta for Developers and now I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps and now here I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool and this tool is going to test our integration. So you can create a test lead here to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here firstly I need to select my page. So I'm going to scroll down and search for my page and here is my page. Now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So I've selected it and here I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead gen form and I've added the details. So here I've mentioned the email, full name and the phone number. Now I'm going to click on next and now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see that it says thanks, you're all set. I'm going to close it. Here it says your test lead has been sent. So that means the lead that I've just created right now has been successfully captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and here you can see that I've received the response. Here is the email, full name, phone number. Here is the created date and time along with some other details. That means the test lead which I have just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I've got the test lead details, I wish to add the lead details in Google Sheets. So here firstly, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will sign in with my Google account. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And now you can see that the authorization was successful. So the connection has been established between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Now I need to select the spreadsheet and select the sheet. So here this is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New and it consists only of one sheet and 3 columns. One is of the lead email, second is of lead name and the third is of phone number. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And you can see that it only consists of one sheet, so it is selected over here. Now moving to these details of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here I'm going to map it from the response received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the data from Facebook lead ads, here I'm going to map the email. Now I'm going to map the lead name. And now I'm going to map the phone number of the lead from the response that I've received. So this method of mapping is important. If I would have added these details manually, in that case, these details would have become static and it wouldn't change even if I would have received new data. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as whenever now a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically in these fields, the details of that new lead will be added over here by replacing the old one. So as I've done the mapping, now here I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. And here you can see that I've received a response and this here is a positive response. Now I will take you to the Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details of the lead that I've just created through Facebook lead ads is successfully added over here in this Google Sheet in a new row. Here is the lead email, lead name and the phone number. So this integration and automation is a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets in a new row. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.